How to increase your iron in weeks and feel more energy. Iron is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in various bodily functions, including oxygen transport and energy production. Humans obtain iron from their diet because the body cannot produce it on its own. The daily recommended intake of iron for most adults is typically around 8 to 18 milligrams per day. Iron can be classified into two main types: heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron is found in animal-based foods like red meat and is more easily absorbed by the body. Non-heme iron is found in plant-based foods like legumes and fortified cereals and is less readily absorbed. Be sure to stick around till the end, where we will share 3 easy iron-rich smoothies you can make at home to boost your energy. Here are some natural dietary strategies and lifestyle changes that can complement medical treatment and help boost your iron levels. Molasses. Blackstrap molasses is a concentrated source of iron and can be used as a sweetener or added to foods and drinks. Approximately 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses contains approximately 1.9 milligrams of iron. Spirulina. Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that is often promoted for its nutritional content, including its iron content. On average, 1 tablespoon of dried spirulina typically contains approximately 2 milligrams of iron. Beet greens. The leafy tops of the beet plant are richer in iron than the root. A 3-ounce serving of cooked beet greens can contain approximately 2.7 milligrams of iron. Moringa leaf powder is a popular form of moringa that is often used as a dietary supplement or added to smoothies and recipes. The iron content in moringa leaf powder can vary, but it is generally higher than in fresh leaves. 1 tablespoon serving of moringa leaf powder may contain approximately 3 to 5 milligrams of iron or more. Nettle tea. Nettle tea is often suggested as a natural remedy for iron deficiency. It contains iron, vitamins, and minerals that may help support iron levels. Organ meats, like liver, are particularly rich in iron. A 3-ounce serving of cooked beef liver can contain around 5.2 milligrams of iron or more. Kale. On average, a 3.5-ounce serving of raw kale contains approximately 1.5 milligrams of iron. Beef, cooked, lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin, contains approximately 2.1 to 2.7 milligrams of iron per serving. Opt for grass-fed, grass-finished beef for a healthier option. Lentils are an excellent plant-based source of iron. 3.5 ounces of cooked lentils typically contains approximately 3.3 milligrams of iron. Tofu. The iron content in tofu can vary depending on the type of tofu and how it's prepared. 3.5-ounce serving of raw firm tofu typically contains approximately 1.5 to 2.2 milligrams of iron. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable known for its relatively high iron content, although the iron content can vary based on factors such as the variety of spinach and growing conditions. On average, about 3.5-ounce serving of cooked spinach typically contains approximately 2.7 milligrams of iron. It's important to know that spinach is relatively high in oxalates, which are naturally occurring compounds that can bind to minerals like calcium and iron, forming compounds known as oxalate salts. These oxalate salts can interfere with the absorption of minerals in the digestive tract. Oxalates can inhibit the absorption of non-heme iron, which is the type of iron found in plant-based foods like spinach. To maximize the absorption of non-heme iron from spinach and other plant-based sources, you can consider pairing it with vitamin C-rich foods, such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, or strawberries, to enhance the absorption of non-heme iron. Vitamin C can help convert the iron into a more absorbable form. Avoid iron inhibitors. Some foods and drinks can hinder iron absorption. These include calcium-rich dairy products, coffee, tea, and foods high in phytates, found in whole grains and legumes. Try to consume these separately from iron-rich foods. It's also important to know which blood test will help you understand your iron levels, because no one is more invested in your health other than you. Specific blood tests include serum iron. This measures the amount of iron in your bloodstream. Low levels of serum iron can indicate iron deficiency. Ferritin is a protein that stores iron in the body. Low ferritin levels can be a strong indicator of iron deficiency because it reflects the body's iron stores. Normal ferritin levels in adults range from 24 to 336 nanograms per milliliter for males, and 11 to 307 nanograms per milliliter for females. Hemoglobin and hematocrit. These labs are not a direct measure of iron but are related to iron's role in red blood cell production. Low levels of hemoglobin and hematocrit can indicate anemia, which can be caused by iron deficiency. Mean corpuscular volume, MCV. MCV measures the average size of red blood cells. Iron deficiency can lead to smaller, microcytic red blood cells, which would be reflected in a low MCV. Transferrin, total iron binding capacity, TIBC, measures the amount of iron that can be carried by a protein called transferrin. An elevated TIBC can suggest low iron levels because the body tries to increase its capacity to transport iron when it is deficient. Now, as promised, here are 3 iron-rich smoothie recipes that you can make at home to help improve your energy levels and boost your iron intake. If you find this information helpful so far, make sure to like and subscribe so we can continue bringing you more content like this. Green Iron Boost Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh kale leaves, 1/2 cup beet greens, 1/2 lemon, peeled and deseeded, 1 tablespoon moringa leaf powder, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, or your preferred milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness, ice cubes which can be optional. Instructions: place the kale, beet greens, peeled lemon, moringa powder, banana, almond milk, and honey or maple syrup in a blender. Blend until smooth, adding ice cubes if you prefer a colder smoothie. Pour into a glass and enjoy your iron-rich green smoothie. Moringa Berry Blast Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 tablespoon moringa leaf powder, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup fresh kale leaves, 1 cup water or coconut water, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness. Instructions: combine the frozen berries, moringa powder, lemon juice, kale leaves, and water or coconut water in a blender. Blend until smooth, adjusting sweetness with honey or maple syrup if desired. Pour into a glass and savor this berry and moringa-packed smoothie. Citrusy Beet Green Delight. Ingredients: 1 cup beet greens, 1/2 lemon, peeled and deseeded, 1 tablespoon moringa leaf powder, 1 cup fresh kale leaves, 1 small orange, peeled and segmented, 1 banana, 1 cup water or coconut water, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness. Instructions: place the beet greens, peeled lemon, moringa powder, kale leaves, orange segments, banana, and water or coconut water in a blender. Blend until smooth, adjusting sweetness with honey or maple syrup if desired. Pour into a glass and enjoy this refreshing and iron-rich smoothie. These iron-rich smoothies are not only delicious but also provide you with essential nutrients to help improve your energy levels. You can customize the sweetness and consistency to your liking and enjoy these nutritious beverages as part of a balanced diet. Lastly, if you take or are prescribed supplements, ferrous biglycinate is often recommended because it is well absorbed by the body and tends to have fewer gastrointestinal side effects compared to other forms. It is typically found in chelated iron supplements. Ferrous fumarate is also another form of iron that is known for its high absorption rate. It is often recommended when a person has iron deficiency anemia, and it is generally well tolerated. For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.